If you got a tattoo from your friend in exchange for a bottle of beer, chances are you've encountered an issue like ink leaks, or blowout as it's called in English. What is it? How can you avoid it? And how can it be fixed? When you have a blurry outline, it means the tattoo artist pushed the pigment deeper than necessary in that area, and the pigment went through the epidermis, through the dermis, and ended up in the subcutaneous fat. And the subcutaneous fat, so to speak, is not able to hold the pigment in one place. Our pigment spreads out like this, and instead of a nice solid line, we see a line with some kind of blue, unattractive, uneven, and unclear smudge forming around it. So, to avoid this, go to a good tattoo artist who knows exactly where and what they're doing. How can this be fixed? It can't. But you can try going for laser sessions and attempt to treat the areas around the tattoo where the ink has spread. Or you can try to touch up right next to the line that was supposed to be straight, covering up those smudges. So, the dermis layer is located above the layer of subcutaneous fat. Therefore, if you touch up right next to this line with something colorful and dense, then most likely the smudge will no longer be visible. And that's probably all you can do, because a smudge is a smudge. It's simply not possible to remove or get rid of it, especially in difficult areas of the skin like the hand, face, ribs, and so on. So if it has already happened, just go on as you are, love your new self, love yourself the way you are, or just try to fix it either by completely covering it up or by adding some solid color right up to that line. But in general, for example, if you want a fine line tattoo, go to a fine line tattoo artist. If you want a traditional tattoo, go to a traditional tattoo artist. If you want realism, go to a realism specialist. Okay? Then the chances that something will go wrong or not as planned will be greatly, greatly reduced. So choose your tattoo artist wisely.